Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Good morning. Hope you had a great weekend as well. And welcome to this, excuse me, to this new video and daily update on Arbitrum. Didn't cover it yesterday. I didn't feel like a lot was going on, even though Saturday evening we did get some sort of a bearish breakout. But still wanted to cover it today because I think it's, well, most of you still indicated to me that you thought these were useful and valuable. And apart from that, I also do have something to say about Arbitrum. We'll briefly take a look at some fundamentals as well, and then we'll dive into the technicals. So that's what we're going to do. Before we get into Arbitrum specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me in my signal group, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join, but you can also find out results, those type of things. All right, so to start off with some fundamentals regarding Arbitrum. Sometimes that's just valuable to check out, see what the chain is doing, if it's trending up, trending down, being neutral. And right now it really does look like Arbitrum is neutral. The daily active addresses, it's great, it's high, but it's neutral. It's not really going up. Same goes for daily transactions, and especially also for the total value locked, which has practically been around 2.2 billion since the beginning of April and the end of March. All right, but now we know that. Now we take a look at Arbitrum, the market structure, and what most of you probably will think is that we are trending down. And I agree with that. I mean, it's pretty clear right now that we are trending down. You could still say that we were in some sort of a consolidation when we were holding 1.18 and 1.17, but now that we also broke that, I think we are trending down. Now, the thing that worries me a little bit, but what is also a confirmation for a downtrend. So if you're waiting for a downtrend, if you're waiting for those $1 levels, this is obviously not that bad of news. What worries me a bit is that we got quite a lot of bearish momentum, and then we had a relatively bullish Bitcoin earlier this, or kind of from Sunday to Monday. And you can see that we did get some bullish momentum from that, but then we respected the downtrend. So when Bitcoin, in this case, what you see with a lot of altcoins is that when Bitcoin gets bullish like this, altcoins move with it quite a lot. Arbitrum moved together with it, but we still respected the downtrend. All right, so what I'm trying to say is that even when we get that bullish momentum from the markets, it's not enough to get us out of this downtrend. And we still have this major resistance around 1.21 and 1.22, which we haven't even touched. So in my eyes, we are definitely dropping down to our next support level. You can see that we found some brief support right here around 1.15. It's a minor psychological level, of course, but I think right now, I mean, there's a small chance that we will drop down to 1.15 and then from there get quite a lot of momentum. If we get a lot of momentum from there, so instantly get up to 1.22, then there's a chance that we can start some sort of an uptrend from there. I mean, it's crypto. It's always a possibility. I wouldn't say it's the most likely scenario, but I did want to talk about it briefly. I think it's more likely though that we will drop down to this level at around 1.15, find some support, but only to take a break retest off of 1.17, 1.18, and then continue our drop down to 1.12 and 1.1. And then the big question is can we hold that, or are we going to drop down to 1.05 and $1? And I'll leave that up to me tomorrow, because it really depends on what kind of touch, what kind of support we get off of 1.12 and 1.1. If we get quite a lot of support from there, it might be the start of like a triple bottom, something like that. If we barely get any support, we're probably going to drop down lower. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on that, of course. I'll monitor closely, but for now, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.